Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp backup on Honor Magic 8 Pro. Okay, to create our backup, all we need to do is to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Scroll down a little and click on Chat Backup. And now, let's begin with Google account. That's basically the most important part. As you take a look, currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and on that account, to be more precise, in the cloud of this Google account, my backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if I want to restore a backup later in the future, I'll need to be signed into the exact Google account. So you just need to remember about it. You cannot forget the Google account that you have selected, because you won't be able to restore your chats. If you want, of course, you can add another account. Simply click on Add and sign in. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I selected it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I simply don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable thing. So if you want, you can pick the mode that you can see on the screen. We have daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Or if you want, you can select it on off. Now we can also include the videos in our backup. Really important to select it. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. Basically it's like an extra security feature that you can enable. If you choose to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it, but just like I'm saying, it's not necessary. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. If you don't have enough, simply click on that and click on clear storage to get more space. And now click on backup button to start the process. In my case, it won't take long. It's already done actually. In your case, if you have a lot of conversations, a lot of chats, it's going to take longer. As you take a look, we have the hour on which we made the last backup. It's the same, so it's confirmation that everything went successfully. And down below we can also see the size of our backup right in here, 1.1 megabytes. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.